In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logic to Microsoft Forms. This feature allows you to create dynamic surveys and quizzes that can adapt based on user responses. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to guide respondents through customized paths, enhancing their experience. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You can do this by using your preferred search engine. Once you enter the search term, you will quickly see links to the official Microsoft Forms site. This is where you'll set up your forms. It's important to ensure you are on the official website to avoid any security issues. This step sets the stage for everything else, so take your time to find the correct link. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. If you are already logged in, this step will take you directly to the Microsoft Forms interface. If not, you will need to enter your credentials such as your email and password. Logging in securely is crucial as it protects your data and forms. After logging in, you will be greeted with your existing forms or a blank canvas, ready for you to create something new. Now open your form. You will see your list of forms and you can select the one you want to add logic to. Clicking on your form opens it in the editing mode. This is where you can customize questions, adjust settings, and incorporate logic. Opening your form is essential because it allows you to apply the logic you want to enhance your survey or quiz experience. If you want respondents to jump to a different page, make sure you have already created those pages using the section question type. The section question type allows you to divide your form into multiple pages. This is important because it gives you the flexibility to direct respondents based on their answers. Without these sections, the logic you want to apply will not function correctly. Take a moment to ensure your sections are well organized. Click the More Form Settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This icon typically appears as 3 dots in a vertical line. By clicking on this, you open a drop-down menu with various options for your form. This step is crucial as it leads you to the branching options, where you can set up the logic for your form. You are one step closer to customizing your form. Select branching from the drop-down menu. This option allows you to configure how respondents will navigate through your form based on their answers. It's a powerful feature that enhances user engagement and improves data quality. By selecting branching, you are now ready to specify how different responses will affect the flow of your form. Click on the specific question, usually a choice or Likert question, where you want to add the branching condition. Selecting the right question is vital because it acts as the trigger for the branching logic. Make sure you choose a question that offers multiple answers, as this is where the decision-making will occur. The correct selection ensures your form behaves the way you intend. Next to each answer option, you will see a drop-down menu that defaults to Next. This is where you can specify what happens after a respondent selects an answer. Understanding this drop-down is key to creating a smooth user experience. By customizing these paths, you control the respondent's journey through your form. Click the drop-down menu next to an option and select the specific destination. You can choose to direct them to a specific question, a section, or even to the end of the form. This flexibility is what makes adding logic powerful. For example, if a respondent answers a disqualifying question, you can have them skip ahead to the form's conclusion. This saves time for both you and your respondents. Once you are finished setting up your paths, click the back arrow button at the top left to return to the standard form editor. This action confirms that your branching logic is saved and ready to go. You will see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that your changes are intact. Now your form is equipped with logic that can greatly enhance how respondents experience your survey or quiz.